Welcome to today's tutorial. We're diving into WhatsApp Web on your PC to show you how to manage who can see your About information. This new update gives you more control over your privacy, so let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure your phone is connected so your messages sync properly. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll spot a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, find and click on Privacy. This section is where you can adjust who sees what on your profile. In the privacy settings, you'll see several options, including About. Click on About to customize who can view this information. Here, you'll see a few choices. Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. To specifically choose who cannot see your About info, select My Contacts Except. A list of your contacts will pop up. Now select the contacts you want to exclude from seeing your About information. This is perfect for hiding info from specific people while still sharing it with your broader contact list. After you've chosen the contacts, confirm your selection. The exact way to confirm might vary slightly depending on the version, but usually there's a checkmark or a Done button. And that's it. You've successfully customized who can see your About information on WhatsApp Web. This is a simple yet effective way to manage your privacy and keep your information visible only to those you trust. Remember, regularly reviewing your privacy settings is a great habit. WhatsApp often updates its features, so staying on top of these settings ensures you always have the level of privacy you're comfortable with. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you have full control over who views your About information on WhatsApp Web, giving you peace of mind while using the platform.